Cessna Lance, Cessna Turkish Chino.
Cessna 68 November, you're number 3 for the runway, and I'll call your base.
Base all set?
Yep.
Here we go. Get up on the runway. Here we go.
Cessna 14 Victor, contact ground point 6, good day.
Contact ground point 6, 1 Victor, good day, sir.
Okay, all pressure's good. Airspeed's coming alive. There's 40, 45, 50, 55. Nose up. Here we go, we're going. Piece of cake, right?
Yeah.
Little bumps, you okay?
Yeah.
Alright, piece of cake.
Cessna 070, left turn approved, contact SoCal departure.
Left turn approved. We're going over to SoCal for 070, so long.
Cessna 0 Zulu, hotel.
Here we go, ready?
Yeah.
SoCal departure, good morning, Cessna 52070 with you out of 1,600 for 5,500 to French Valley.
070, SoCal departure, I-10. Climb is approved, what are you climbing to?
070 requesting 5,500 today, here's the idea.
November 52070, vehicle for climb is approved, and the radar contact 2 miles southwest of Chino.
070, Rick, climb is approved. Yep.
Chino's high.
Want to take a picture? Forgot to tell you we're turning.
Huh?
Forgot to tell you that we were turning, sorry about that. Piece of cake, right?
Yeah.
Smile for the camera. Okay, we're going to lean the engine out a little bit. There we go. Want to try it?
I'm good.
Sure? Try it.
Knock yourself out.
See, if I go right, this goes right. If I go left, it goes left. See, pretty smooth up here, right?
Yeah.
No. See, like right there, we're climbing 3,500 feet. We're climbing at about 600 feet a minute. And we're going about 90 knots. Got about 1,800 feet to go. We're going to go to 5,500. So here's the 91 freeway. There's a 71. Okay, gonna put the nose over one more time. Make sure nobody's out there in front of us. Okay, pitch back up. Going to come to the left a little bit.
Key 06, November, use caution, there are a
Okay.
lot of targets in the vicinity of French Valley between 2,200 and 5,500.
Say again, there's a lot of rocks at that altitude.
For 06 November, I'm not showing anyone at your altitude. The closest one is 1 o'clock, 3 miles, maneuvering, indicating 3,800. Number 55, Hotel Foxtrot, SoCal Grove, Nancy Real, altimeter 2996, go ahead.
2996, we're just off of French Valley, climbing VFR, looking for an instrument clearance to Romeo Oscar Golf.
Number 5, Hotel Foxtrot, roger, IDAM, Nancy Real, altimeter 2996.
Okay, 2996, IDAM's coming down, 55 Hotel Foxtrot, we're on VFR squad.
There's the runway.
French Valley traffic, 65 to the 2000 motors, southbound, will be defaulting GLAR to the south, French Valley traffic.
French Valley traffic, White Skyhawk 070, short final for 120, full stop, French Valley.
Closed traffic, French Valley.
Good? Good?
Yeah.
French Valley traffic, White Skyhawk 070, short final for 120, French Valley.
French Valley traffic, Warrior 58 Quebec, left base, wing up, and traffic inside, French Valley. French Valley traffic, Skyhawk 623 Sierra Papa, left and downwind, runway 18, French Valley. French Valley traffic, Warrior 58 Quebec, on file for runway 18. This will be touch and go, French Valley.
French Valley traffic system 13020, upwind departing to the south, last call 18 French Valley.
And French Valley traffic, White Skyhawk 070, clear of runway 18, taxiing to transmit French Valley. All right. Pop your window. French Valley traffic, White Skyhawk taking on the go, runway 18, French Valley straight out. Here we go. All set?
Yep.
Okay, oil pressure's good. Airspeed's alive. There's 50, 55. Positive rate of climb. Oil pressure's good. A little bumpy here.
Yep.
How you doing, bud?
Good.
Good.
The traffic's no factor. You can contact SoCal approach on 134.0. Have a great flight.
134.0 now for 070, so long. SoCal approach, good afternoon, Cessna 52070 with you out of 4,500 or VFR to Chino. That was Cessna 52070 VFR 4,500 en route to Chino VFR.
52070, SoCal approach, Ontario altimeter 29901, advising of the Chino radar, stay clear of the Lake Elsinore jump zone.
070 will stay east of the 15 freeway.
200 Delta, contact SoCal approach 127.3.
Got it?
Yeah.
Delta 3796, contact SoCal approach 124.1.
24 good day, Southwest 3796.
Okay. Number 1 Lima Echo, additional traffic, 1 o'clock, 12 miles eastbound, type and altitude unknown. That's our primary target only.
Okay, looks for traffic.
Wings.
Oh, okay. A lot of boats though?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, we're gonna come a little bit to the left, okay?
Agency 710, now 12 o'clock, 2 miles, orbiting, type and altitude unknown.
Still no contact for Agency 710.
I don't want to go over these hills right in front of us. We'll just go up the 15 freeway.
Yeah.
Because it'll be pretty bumpy over those hills.
Okay, right turn 1340, and I believe that was down to 10,000 for Charlie Golf.
Center Charlie Golf, read back correct, reaching 10,000, slow to 250 knots.
Citation 0 Echo Hotel, State Park.
We're going to Mach 1, 0 Echo Hotel.
Citation 0 Echo Hotel, Roger. Contact ground point 6, good day.
On the ground, Echo Hotel, thanks. That's on now, Joe Fletcher.
Good.
Yep, just wind's moving
Thank you,
around.
052, thank you. Altitude indicates 1,800.
We concur, Joe Fletcher.
Because it's getting hot.
Thank you.
Cessna 070, back to MIA.
070 going to AIA.
Cessna 070, roger. Continue down the runway, turn right at taxiway hotel, then contact ground point 6.
Down to hotel, then over to ground at point 6, 070. You can open your window.
Winnie 4247 Hotel, Chino Tower, make left traffic, runway 26
All right, good job, bud.
Left traffic 426 right.
Thanks.
So this is hotel, CDH.
There's a hotel here?
No, the taxiway is called.
Cherokee 05 Juliet, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 05 Juliet.